the wire in the panel board. Now I fix the circuit breaker. Yes, this is 20 amperes. Then I fix it like this for our lights. Okay, stay tuned guys until when I finish, so that you can learn something from this.
Video.
So after you guys finish guys, you see at this end button portion, and this one will be put here like this. Like this guys. And then you can put it like this and then press it. And now it's okay. So we done already one. Orange here. Again, 1 minute, give me. So guys, as you observe this, in this bar guys, this is the earthing guys. See in this bar, this is the earthing. So we need to connect directly to the body of the panel board, so that it will be also safe for our appliances like AC, all appliances inside, socket, protect also this one. And this side guys is, this side as you observe this bars guys, this one, this I touch in my hand, this is all the neutral guys. So as you observe in the last portion have a plastic, this one. Water heater. So we need 20 amperes. This one 20 amperes. The same procedure guys, to open and tight, and then like this, press it. This wire guys, this wire and this wire, these two wires is for our AC. This is for our air conditioning. So we need to fix it 32 amperes because the AC is around 2 tons. So we need this 32 amperes. type it. And then
32 or 20?
32 for the
For what? IC?
ayun.
Or liar?
The IC.
Oh, the IC 32.
Yes.
Or liar?
Light high ज़्यादा आ रहा बस रे हाई की डाय माफी है असर हाई माफी ज़्यादा लाइट
For switch. Switch mal.
guys, this is also for the AC guys, huh? So this is also 32 amperes.
YouTube.
And guys, our tips for when you're making this one, guys, you need fixing inside in this DVD, guys, in the panel board. You need a more allowance for the wire, guys. You know, do not make allow just only for short wire, because sometimes at a long time time will come. Some of the wires is burn, and you need to cut at this portion so that you need an allowance. That is normal, guys. That's our technique, guys. Need an allowance. Okay, so we finished already this portion, guys. Again, this is light. This is also light. This is our socket, our convenience outlet. This is for our water heater. This is for air conditioning, and then we move to the another side. So this wire, guys, you see as the small. This is only 2.5 mm. So this is for the light, guys. So I fixed it for around just only 10 amperes. The same procedure, guys. So to open this, right? It's very hot at this time, guys. You know, guys, it's already 7 o'clock here at the night in the evening, but it's still hot. I'll arrange it here. Okay, and this wire also, guys, you see it's small also, this 2.5 mm. Also this for our lights. So in the spotlights, guys, we are using 5 watts spotlight LED. So this 10 amperes, guys, is not bad, because we are using LED now, so it is very safe. LED is not coming hot. It will protect our circuit breakers in the panel board. So like this, guys, and like this, and arrange it here, like that. So this wire, guys, this double, and the size of the wire is 4 mm. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Somebody is working in another side. Okay, guys, this is 4 milli wire. This is for our socket. So I'm using this one for 32 amperes. Okay. Alright. Socket or convenience outlet, guys, these are the R1. So mostly in the country that I am working here, they are mostly calling us socket, but it is convenience outlet, guys. like this. And then you can arrange this wire, guys, and put it inside. And then next is our this wires is easy also, guys. So in this rooms, guys, they are using totally 4 easy, and it's almost 2 ton. Hi, 2 ton, ala 2.5 ton. 2.5 ton.
2.5 ton.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. So they are using 2.5 tons, guys, no? So that's why we will need to fix this 32 amperes.
कराने के लिए लिखा है
Corona? Now, and then tight. Why it looks Corona में?
और कराना नोट कराना
After and then okay, and then arrange this one inside and like this. Another one, we have only the last one, guys, so this is also for the AC, the last one. So you observe, guys, this is still long. They have also another spare at this side, guys. This wire I will make another spare so that it will not stress. Don't stress the wire, guys, no? This is the last one. It's also this one, guys, for the AC. This is I'm using 32 amperes. I'm sorry, guys, because it's noisy, because somebody is working, guys, in another side. So they are AC technician. They are fixing also their AC. So just stay tuned, guys. And then like that, and arrange inside. So be careful, guys, when you're making a terminating the panel board, guys. Just be careful the wires, guys. Be sure that there's no any scratch or any cut in the insulator, so that it will not touch to the neutral. It will touch the neutral, guys. It will make trouble. So like this. So I'm almost done, guys, for the circuit breakers. The branches I already done.